Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about rolling movement that occurs in the articular surface of any joints. As you all know that multiple types of movements are occur in the articular surface of any joints like gliding, sliding, rolling, spinning, etc. But today we will only discuss about rolling movements. So there are basically some conditions on the base of which we can say that rolling movement is occurring in any joint, like the joint surface must be incongruent, means that one surface must be convex and another surface must be concave. And the second condition is that while rolling movement occurs, new point of one surface need to meet with new point of another surface. It means that both the surface need to move in one time. It is not like that one surface moving and surface keeps still. And the third condition is that while rolling movement is occurring, the surface of joint will be compressed, in which direction movement will occur, and the opposite surfaces will be separated from each other. And the fourth condition is that in which direction rolling is occurs, bone also move in same direction. And the ultimate conclusion is that in any joint, pure rolling movement did not occur. It always occurs with gliding, sliding, spinning, etc. movements. So bye guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video.